How's it going, gents? Here we are today, starting off at Kmart, doing a dirt bike overnight camping challenge. As you can see, our WRs do not have any camping gear on them because at Kmart, we're going to use $100 each to buy all of the gear that we need overnight. Everything we need to be able to camp overnight and survive the cold. What are you boys doing? You guys playing the new Raid Shadow Legends, the sponsor of this challenge video.
Dragon just rocked up.
Whoa, forget everything you know about mobile games because this is one of the most ambitious RPG projects of 2019. It has just been released and it's going to change everything. Introducing Raid Shadow Legends. Playing Raid is the most immersive experience you'll find on a smartphone, and it can only be really compared to the biggest PC and console titles. The best part, it's totally free, guys. Raid has all the features you expect from a big brand RPG title, like an amazing storyline, awesome 3D graphics, giant boss fights and PvP battles, and hundreds of champions to collect and customize. But I never expected a level of performance out of a mobile game. Look how crazy the details are.
Dude, it's pretty wild.
And you have all these crazy details on the champions as well. Raid special launch tournament is happening right now, guys. So go to the description of this video, download Raid only through the link in the description, and you'll get 50,000 silver immediately. Here's the coolest part. You'll be automatically entered into their special launch tournament where you compete against me and these boys for crazy in-game prizes and physical prize packs, including figurines, power banks, t-shirts, and more. Winners will get them delivered straight to their door. Good luck and see you there. All right, guys, so we have $100 each to buy everything we need at Kmart. As you can see, we have no bags. The only thing we have is a tank bag, and that's for alcohol because alcohol's not included. To buy everything, including tent, sleeping bag, mattress, food, cooking gear, you know, toothbrush, toothpaste, anything you need to camp overnight. And it's going to be cold. It was 4 degrees last night in where we're camping, so it's going to be another cold one tonight.
Can I bring a lighter?
You can buy one at Kmart. You have $100. Anything you want, you can buy at Kmart with your $100. So we're about to rock, paper, scissors on who goes first into Kmart.
Rock off.
You'll have 15 minutes before the next person comes in. So let's go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh,
me and you. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
All right, Brendan, you're first in. You got 15 minutes.
I'm going to grab all
and then Nick's going to be last.
Sweet, so I'm the first one in. One to rock off. I've made it to the camp section. Frick. Yes. Take one of you. Done. This is hard. These are expensive. 35. 12 bucks. Boom. Sleeping bag. This is what I was looking at. 12 degrees. Good thing it's going to be like 5. Do I get another one? I'm focusing on warmth. That looks bloody useful, to be honest. It's tempting, but no. I'm going to get the most popular things first because I got to go to the store first. 10 bucks. Pump for the Lilo. 4 bucks, yeah, done. 12 bucks, bang. Big bag. Put everything in that. Strap it to the bike. It feels ultra quality. Starting to rack up a bit of a trolley. Emergency poncho, 2 bucks, could come in handy. Need a knife. Need cheapest pan. Take the $5 pot. Oh, cheeky little one. 75 cents.
And we're going in. Kmart is open for me to get my camping gear. Brendan's had 15 minutes in there without me. I already have kind of an idea what I'm gonna get. Here we go, boys. The camping section. Don't see Brendan yet. Gonna have to get a backpack as well so I can start carrying a lot of stuff, so get the stuff I need. I got 15 minutes before Nick comes in. Get everything I need. Head torch, $4. Grab myself a head torch. We've got some cutlery, $3 3-piece cutlery. Grab that. $5 saucepan. You'll do fine. I'm on the lookout for rope. Here we go. Done. Just seeing if this $8 backpack can fit everything I need in this $12 backpack.
How's it going, mate?
Brendo, you bringing that trolley, are you? That's a lot of gear, man.
Yeah, I'm going to do the same.
That's a lot
of
of gear.
Test pack. I've got a big duffel. Yeah.
I reckon we've got to try and get out before Nick.
I'm not impressed with the sleeping bag, so I think
dude, you know what my plan is in the whole week?
What?
Convince you guys that I was going to go something really weird and stuff, and then just buy camping gear. I've been trying to troll Nick, so Nick goes with bloody something weird. I was going to do the jumping castle over there. Oh, fuck. Turn it upside down, and it's a tent. Yeah. Pick it up.
49 bucks.
Pick it up though.
Heavy?
Feel how freaking heavy it is, man. Imagine riding a single track with that. It's so heavy. Plus, you got to blow it up. Plus, it's 50 bucks, so it's half the budget.
No. Just freaking run into Tom, this sneaky bastard. Look at him go with his little backpack. I've gone mega duff, and I'm trying to fit a whole shopping cart worth of stuff in a bloody duffel bag, so we'll see how we go. My scented candle, don't tell anyone about the scented candle. Keep me going when it gets really cold and I'm getting like massive fatigue and bloody frostbite. A little scented candle will keep me going.
Right, this is what I've decided for my hammock. I'm going with the fitted sheet because I think that's best because it's got the elastic. So I've gone for the King, for the Big Daddy.
They're freaking out of bungee cord. Tom better not have got the last pack. It's gonna be interesting now. I'm gonna have to use rope.
Perfect. Brendan, is that a baby's pram?
It's a baby's seat.
My setup. $93. Done. $7 for food.
No bungee cords, gotta get creative.
Nick, what is he up to? What is he thinking?
Let's see if Nick and Brendan are still hanging about. Adding up.
This thing, man, this thing tells you how much you spent.
Ah.
I think I was at like 77 bucks for like all the stuff I need.
Jesus Christ. What a terrible setup. I'm already bought and paid for, man. I'm done. You wouldn't even be able to comprehend my setup. Hey guys, we can just buy wood from over here.
Yeah.
17 minutes left, lads. Or else you're paying for it yourself. Raid Shadow Legends only has a deadline of what it'll pay for.
You know, guess what my food budget is? Thanks, man.
How much?
I think about $6.
$6. Mine's $7 currently. When we spend $300 on a hike mattress, when you could get a whole setup for less than $100 at Kmart, man. $4.50 for the duct tape, man.
That's how I'm getting everything.
It's
I'm getting
expensive,
this whole bag, just duct taped
Duct
to the back
taped
of
it
my
up.
bike. Done.
There's single tracks. There's single tracks to get out to where we're camping. We're not just camping off the highway, man. And that's a fillet knife. The bait knife.
This one, here we go.
Sheathed bait knife.
Done.
Oh, it's only $3.
$3.
Sure, it's not a fillet knife? Yeah, bait knife.
Done. I've got it. That's my knife.
They're not the bendy ones, are they? Bait knife? Fillet knife. I don't know anything about fishing. Let's go
Under
write it up.
$100. I reckon that's like 8.
Write it up. See how much it costs. You've got anything left over is for food at Coles. Our Kmart's don't sell food in Australia, so we have to add on Coles. Oh, we can get twisties. Just as Aussie as it gets. Oh, nice pot.
Yes.
Oh, the exact same pot.
Yeah.
It's a $5 pot.
Yeah. What? 92. The food budget.
Oh, what else you got? You got the chair as well, man.
I haven't done the chair.
Didn't add up very well, did ya? Nick is on the decks. All right, start scanning. Start scanning it, Nick. And what's the budget looking at?
Have a look.
Oh, you can't take it out yet.
Oh, really?
Have you never used self-serve before?
No.
Man? Jesus Christ. See how Nick's going. Oh, Jesus Christ. $100, mate. Fitted sheet, $24. Why do you need a $24 fitted sheet?
I need a King sheet though.
What's your plan? Nick's at $90. $90. So he's got $10 for food.
$3. There we go. That's what you want. 2 tunas. It's pretty good. $1.30. Done.
Nick was the worst, man. He was over budget. He's like, I don't care. Just pay for it. And I'm like, no, Nick, it's a challenge. $29 fitted sheet. Even the Kmart chick was like, that's an expensive fitted sheet.
I love it. The Kmart chick's like,
It is so good. I've got $7 of food. I'm going to go find my food.
boys. After the shopping spree.
I'm going to find the one I normally get. Creamy bacon carbonara. Let's do it.
Well,
We can join.
are you colluding? Are we colluding?
I have $2 each.
Oh, I think I got like $2 as well.
$10. You had $10, so you're at $9.23.
I had to hand in the
Good
tongs.
selection. Boys, and their duffel bags. Heavy ass duffel bag. This is why we buy ultralight camping gear. This is where we can be as rich as we want. Liquorland. Hell yeah, money. Alcohol doesn't count. Most lightweight, highest alcohol premix you can get. Jack, let's go. Strap all this ultra heavy, ridiculous gear on the back of the WR. We have to buy rope and stuff. All we got is a little rack on the back. Chuck, giant thing. He also bought a bottle of champagne, I don't know what for, to celebrate his win.
Oh no. I think we went too big of a duffel. I don't know how the hell that's even going to stay on there. Look at
What are you doing, Brendan? That's actually a really good idea. Look at Tom's paw rope.
Good rope, man.
Geez, Tom's going bloody. He's taking everything out and strapping everything individually. Ooh, nice strap. Wait, I was looking for a strap like this. Is that a belt?
It's a belt. $7
I was
bucks.
thinking of buying a belt, and I'm like, they're kind of spenny though.
Two of it.
It's almost done.
Yeah.
Nick, what are you doing?
Just put the seatbelt on.
Just buckle up, mate.
Well, mate. There you go, look at these guys, they're huge. You guys think this is going to stay on a mid single track? Oh, the duct tape, that'll actually probably hold on. Mine's pretty simple, just got the tent and the chair on the back. It's not the most sturds, but she'll stay on. Ready to go, let's do it. Oh man, his setup is freaking sturds. Look how Nick's is going, his is kind of draped over. That's almost a bloody giant loop bag right there. You spend 700 bucks on that giant loop. He's got strapped in as well, around the side of him. Like he bought one, mate. It's gonna be his new setup, man. That's gonna be him and the Simpson. Off the beaten track. Some dirt roads, some twin track with a couple of hills, and then some single track, which is to where our campsite is. There's also always a frick ton of kangaroos. Look at them. Yeah, you! Bloody almost killed me last time we came out here. My shit's still strapped on good. Let's go.
Starting to get a little bit loose.
Oh, she's loosening up. Oh yeah, it's so loose on the bottom. Okay, it's not a difficult hill climb, nice and easy. Cruising up in second. Oy, shit, this backpack is not good. Goosh, 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 goosh. Oh, oh, my horn doesn't work. What the? My horn is terrible. You lost all your camping gear. How good's the duffel bag system? Don't know how far to go.
Big dirty hole in it as well.
Oh no.
I wonder how much is broken.
Who'd have thought a $7 freaking duffel bag would have broken? Woo! Bag was caught on my GoPro for a second. Tree's not usually there. Go off this. Woo! Oh, watch the shit on the rear. Didn't lose it. Oh, good. Yes. Here we are. The ruins. The chimney. The 1800s gold mining chimney. Ugh. Piss off. Stupid backpack. All right, here we are. We're at the camping spot. Let's go over. What can you get for $100? Tell us what you got, Nick.
You can get a medium grade fitted sheet, queen, because I couldn't afford the king, so it would be a tight fit. I got a double sleeping bag that's meant to go on the outside and insulate me. I'll show you. $1.70, $1, 90 cents, and this is for kids.
Yep.
But,
milk tea.
It was cheap.
Not a lot of stuff. All right, Brendan, what'd you get for your $100? You seem to got a lot more than young Nick.
Nick's gonna die.
Go through
sleeping
it.
bags. I got a little kid's chair that was pretty cheap. I got a pump for my air mattress.
Inflatable mattress.
Saucepan. I got kids' shit's way cheaper, so I got kids' toothbrush and toothpaste. I didn't get any cutlery, so last minute I bought this, so I'll use that as a spoon and a fork.
Set of tongs.
Rice and seeding rice, super cheap.
What are you meant to do with the rice?
Oh, and I got a scented candle, just to, add a bit of a homely vibe.
What did I get? I got an inflatable, self-inflating mattress and pillow. I got a little tripod stool, a head torch, metal cutlery, knife, fork, spoon, matches, because I got the fire going, everyone else sucks. Two-man tent, 2 sleeping bags, pasta, toothbrush that's not a kid's one, saucepan to eat all my pasta out of, rope so I can attach it to my bike, water, and 2 backpacks so I could put it all in. And it worked great. Nick got champagne. I don't know what he's celebrating. The loss of his life. Come on, I believe in you, Nick. Your ingenuity.
Ooh.
It's holding.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh.
Cheap dirty.
All right, Nick.
See you guys.
That's actually very freaking impressive. A fitted sheet and a bit of rope, and he's got a freaking hammock.
Bloody luxury.
Show us he's sitting in the chair.
I didn't realise how physically small this chair is.
You're on the arms. It's just head torches. Actually, this $4 head torch is brilliant. Here's the tent set up. That's Brandon's tent set up. Here's mine. So I got 2 sleeping bags. They're lofting out, even though they're synthetic and they have 0 loft. Inflatable mattress is inflating. The tent's actually decent. A $12 tent, man. Plenty of room. Single wall, but it's got like a little vent at the top with a cover. A little vent at the back and a mesh front. Not bad for freaking $12. Let's get this chimney roaring.
Show my rice. It's really fluffy.
We got some
Take the top off.
fluffy rice.
Really good. Look at that.
Oh, that's good. I've got some pasta, bacon carbonara.
Bit of ravioli.
Nick's got a bit of ravioli in the tin at the back. Look at that. Perfect pasta. Ready to go. Grab a tinny. That scented candle does.
It's nice, isn't it?
Very, very nice smelling. Gonna celebrate our challenge with a bottle of Champers.
Most creative.
Hey!
Swig. Good man.
Most creative. Jesus Christ. This is so weird, but the chimney has got this top bit. It's just blazing. It's like a meter off the fire. 50 degrees right here in front of this fire. That chimney is phenomenal. How much heat is up there?
I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
All right, gents, it's that time of the night where it's toothpaste o'clock. You've got your milk teeth toothpaste.
Oh,
this is $1.50.
fancy.
Yeah, this is fancy shit. It's got suspension. It's Olin's right there. Oh, you got the milk teeth. Oh, shit.
Cheers, fellas.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers, boys. Yeah.
Freaking hell.
Child's toothpaste.
Your sleeping bag's got about a foot of
Yeah, but look now.
Yeah, but you don't have much insulation on the bottom. Because I could literally park a jumbo the bottom area. You need to cinch the top.
I'm mega toasty.
All right, I believe you. You'll survive. All right, I'm in the tent, diagonal, because it's really short. I'm in double sleeping bag, got my mattress, got my inflatable pillow on the end of the mattress, which is really good. And I'm pretty warm, I think. We'll see how we go. See if we survive the night. Let's do it. Tent was a success. See how young Nick's going. Oh, he's still alive. So fun. Not in his hammock though. He's next to the fire. That was a complete success. Kmart camping. Nick was quite cold, almost died. Had to get up in the morning and get next to the fire, but me and Brendan did fantastic. Packed up our gear, ready to ride. Single tracks. Out to get lattes and bacon and eggs. Hell yeah.